Hey everybody, hope your Tuesday is going well. For advanced biology, we are going to have a complete change of plans given our utter failure to figure out technology yesterday. That is completely my fault. So what we're going to do is we are going to go through the presentations next week when we come back, so I can be here and we can work out all the kinks in technology that way. You still need to have your presentation submitted in Schoology. That needs to be done by today. Obviously, I can see when you guys turn that in. So today, actually it should have been yesterday, but today that absolutely needs to be submitted. Your energy presentations, again, we will actually go through those next week when you guys present. Your assignment today, Tuesday, and tomorrow, Wednesday, is going to be an assignment on Schoology that I'm going to show you guys right here. So on our Schoology page, I'm going to go ahead and go all the way to the bottom. We will see an assignment that says Fighting Claws. So we go ahead and we open that up. You're going to take this PDF, you're going to put that into Notability or on a laptop. You can put it in the Google Docs, any way that you can mark up and submit back to me. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, we are talking about features of natural selection. So you have an article. The article will help you answer the questions. So we've got part 1 with 2 questions, part 2 with 2 questions, but as you can see, some of these are short response, or in this case, long response answers. Part 3, data analysis. You'll be looking at some graphs, same thing. We answer the questions at the end. There's 6 in part 3, and then part 4, the result of evolution, questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all 4 parts, all the questions, you guys have Tuesday and Wednesday to do this. Again, the assignment looks like this. You're going to find that in Schoology. Presentations we will present next week, but those need to be turned in today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me, message me. Also, don't forget, some of you need to do makeup tests for Hardy-Weinberg. Those will be updated in the gradebook this week as well. So hope you have a good rest of your day. Talk to you guys later.